Hi everybody, in this video we're going to learn how to make a Greek column from ancient Greece in TinkerCad. Step 1 is to drag out a solid cylinder shape. Go ahead and select any color you want for it. I'm going to go with a gray. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to select the cylinder, and you want to make sure that this menu is open. And we're going to go to this slider that says sides, and we're going to click and drag it out to about 50 or so. What that will do is that will smooth the sides out. So instead of it being a 20-sided shape, it's a 50-sided shape. Makes it closer to a real cylinder. Once we've done that, we can minimize that. Now we're going to change the size of the cylinder. Click one of the corner white handles that control the size, and change each side to 40. So we'll change that to 40 and that to 40. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click the middle white handle that controls the height, and we're going to change that to 5. Now what we're going to do is we're going to select this and copy it. So I'm going to click the copy button and then the paste button. Now I have a copy. Now let's resize this copy. Click the white corner handle and change this to 35 by 35. And now we're going to lift this off the ground. To do that, I'm going to change my camera a little bit. I'm going to find the black triangle that's used to lift objects. I'm going to click and raise it until this number here says 5. I can also click this, type 5, and press enter. Ignore the number up here. That number can sometimes be different than that number. This is the number that needs to be 5. Now we're going to slide this over. We don't have to get it perfect, but just get it close. And now we're going to use our Align tool. I'm going to move my mouse over here. I'm going to click and hold down the mouse and drag to select both objects. Then I'm going to go up here to my Align tool. Looks like a sideways bar graph. Click that, and then you get these black handles that appear. We're going to click the middle black handle here and the middle black handle here to align this. Now, with both of them selected, we're going to click the group button to group them together. Slide that off to the side. Let's drag out another cylinder. Again, you can change the color if you want to. And we're going to change the dimensions of this cylinder to 30 by 30. And I'm going to zoom out because we're going to make this cylinder pretty tall. I'm going to click the middle white handle and change this to 80. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this cylinder. I'm going to make a copy of it. Copy. And then we're going to paste it. Drag your copy out. And then we're going to click this hole button to change this to a hole. And then what we're going to do is we're going to slightly adjust the height. So we're going to click this middle white handle, and where it says 80, we're going to change that to 75. All right, this has been part 1. If you want to keep learning how to make this Greek column, check out video part 2.